Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you a commonly overlooked fault area where you have a no start or no crank issue on a BMW 3 Series. This is specific for the BMW E90, E91, E92, and E93. For this particular car I'm working with my 2011 BMW 335D equipped with the M57 diesel. Back when I had the issue with my crank position sensor, this was one of the areas I was testing. Apparently this can be an intermediate issue which I was experiencing. After some research, this can cause some random codes on your vehicle as well. These problems can be potentially caused from a faulty DME relay. This is a fairly inexpensive part and it can be tested without purchasing a new one. I do have a generic video on how to test the relay, so be sure to check that out for more information. Considering we are working with an electrical system, it's good practice to disconnect the battery in the trunk. This uses a 10mm wrench. Only disconnect the negative terminal and tuck it off to the side. Next is removing the two side covers by the hood struts. Simply pull out the tangs on each side and then remove the covers. Remove the 6 8mm bolts holding down the cabin filter cover. Remove the two 8mm bolts on each side of the plastic cover going over the engine bay. Again, these are by the hood struts. Remove the cabin filter cover assembly and place it off somewhere safe. Unclip the wire where it goes across the engine bay. Remove the sensor and wire on the passenger side on the top of that plastic cover. Gently wiggle out the plastic cover and finally remove. The DME, or also known as the ECU box, is located on the passenger side of this vehicle. This is a left-hand drive car, so this may vary with a right-hand drive vehicle. This white cover will have clips on each side. The front and rear have slide clips with lock and unlock symbols next to them. Simply slide the clip into the unlock position for opening the cover. Next you'll have to gently pull up the black plastic clip by the fender. There will also be another black clip that needs to be disconnected where the wiring exits towards the center of the car. Finally, pull the cover off. The DME relay will be located in different spots in this box depending on your model. This should be a blue relay and you can see where it's next to the small fuse block. While I'm here, I'm also checking the box for any corrosion. This too can potentially cause problems. Just like any clips found on BMW modules, there will be a tab that needs to be pushed down, a lever that is swung over, and then the electrical connector can be removed. These electrical connectors can't be mixed up as they only fit in one spot. If you are a little hesitant with disconnecting everything, you can take photos as a reference. These boxes have drain holes in the bottom and then fill up with water, causing numerous issues. I went through and applied electrical protectant to all the terminals. For this I'm using Deoxit D100L. This is both a protectant and enhances the connection. This will provide some layer of protection against any potential corrosion in the future. This is just a preventative maintenance step. After that, the electrical connectors can be clipped back into place. Make sure that lever is in the open position. Push the electrical connector down in place while slowly pushing that lever down. The connector should pull into place and finally lock that lever. Now for the relay. First is removing the little fuse block so you're able to see the relay removal a little easier. Using a small standard screwdriver, pull back the tab towards the fuse block and then pull it straight up. Do the same for the relay again. As mentioned previously, the relay can be bench tested using a multimeter and a small power supply such as a 9-volt battery. I have applied more of the electrical cleaner and protectant as a form of preventative maintenance. The relay can then be plugged back into place. After that, the connector is then clipped back into the box. Clip that fuse block back into place. Make sure the wiring is pushed down so nothing catches, ensure that seal is clean around the cover, and finally reinstall it. Just before that cover goes into place, here you can see how the locks operate. This simply slides back and forth to lock and unlock the cover. Make sure these locks are in the unlock position when reinstalling. Push that cover into place, make sure it's seated correctly, and then lock the clips down. Lock the two slide clips and then the black clips at each side. Install the rubber gasket back into place, if you did remove it, just at the front of the windshield. Now reinstall that cowl along the engine bay. Install the 2 fasteners on each side of the hood struts and clip in that wire on the passenger side. Also clip in the wire loom along the front of this. Install the cabin filter along with the fasteners. Finally, clip the 2 side covers back into place. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me. Leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.